guys, welcome back. We're going to dive into Logopony. But first, let me just say thanks for watching and subscribe if you're not already. This is Scary Robots, where we review AI tools. Don't mind my dog barking in the background there. So we're doing logo generators at the moment, and I've done Looker, Turbo Logo, Brandmark, Designs.ai, Logo Maker 2Rs.ai, and now we're on to Logopony. Then one more will be logo.com. Okay, but now we're on to Logopony, guys. Look, nothing much different on the website. I feel like it's going to be very similar to the others. They do have this cool kind of branding kit where they will show your logo posted on a whole bunch of mock-ups. If you're in the States, they're connected with Vistaprint, so that might be easy to use. But look, let's get started. Oh, no, let me just go on the pricing page here first. I've been following somewhat of a process here. So the basic is $20, falls in line with most of the others. The premium is $60, and then you get social media kit, business card design, kind of like a branding kit with a whole bunch of different things in it. Yeah, falls in line with the others. It's cheaper than some, it's more expensive than some, but it only really is worth it if you like the logo. So let's see what it comes up with. We'll put the name in. Which logo styles do I like the best? Personal branding or business branding? Well, it's more business branding, I guess, but yeah, I'm going to go business branding because I like icons. I'm going to go robot. God, if you watched all of these, it's probably very apparent that all of these are using the same or very, very similar icons. Yep, I'm using the same icons or similar icons. See if I can find the exact same one. Anyway, no bother. I'll just leave it at these. Continue. I like grayscale. And put the slogan in, AI tool reviews. Create my logo. That slogan's optional. It is in all of these. And after the fact, you can edit these. So they all kind of follow the similar process. And are they even AI? I guess I'll have another discussion about this, but I've just decided to make these videos, even with this poor sound quality. I apologize. There we go. Look, nothing really stands out. It's just, I've just seen so much of it now that this is the fifth tool that I'm looking at. They're all the same. Look, I will say that there's a few more font options than the first couple. And because they asked for the icon, they're staying really with the icons that I selected. There's no kind of variation or anything new or exciting. It's just kind of like the icon I've selected and some font, which is good in a lot of ways. It's better than some of the others, like Logo Maker with 2Rs.ai. I mean, I much prefer these over what it produced, but it had a lot of variety. It was just variety I didn't like much. Alrighty, well, look, I don't really like any of this, but let me just select. Okay, it's similar to the others. You can save. You need to sign up when you save. You can click to edit. So say I wanted to make this larger, but it's not as cool as the Logo Maker where it kind of realigns everything. You can change the icons. I like black. Let's see. There we go. Okay, can I see it on stationery? Ah, look at this down the bottom, clothes. So this is pretty cool that you can see it all mocked up. I do like that because sometimes your logo, it looks good uh, when you're just looking at it like this, but then when you start seeing it on different items, you rethink it. So I will say that I think this is a pretty cool function. So even if you don't use this tool to select your icon in the end, you can come and see what some of it looks like on different mock-ups. All right, I'm going to go with this one. I like it somewhat. And then this is where I get to the checkout page, guys. Okay, so you've got $20 for just the logo, and it's not even transparent, but you could take it and then just turn it into a transparent with a background remover. Um, or you go with the $60 and then you get watermark, social media kit, business card, and like I said, I've broken record now, 5 videos. But if you like the logo, this is not a bad price to pay. All right, and I guess I got to just log in and then pay. All right, I'm not going to because I didn't really much like the logo actually. But what I will do is I will capture it and put it up against the others that I've made from all these different tools, and we'll see which one, if any, we can choose for the channel. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching these simple walkthroughs. Please subscribe, leave any comments down below, or head over to Twitter, scaryrobots_AI. And look, leave any comments in the comments section. Is there something that you want me to review, a tool that you want me to review, or go into some other type of area? So at the moment I'm going to be doing logo, and then I'm going to be doing some like business content related to uh, social media descriptions, things like that for the channel. So I'm essentially building the channel using these tools at the same time, just kind of two birds, one stone, or 6 stones because I've done 6 tools now. All right, guys, thanks very much. Talk to you later.